Well, we definitely did see a significant amount of rain over the last couple of days. You just heard from Asia, though. It's still in a deficit for a lot of the Central Coast, but we do have more on the way, so that is bringing some hope as well. Here is a live look at Grover Beach, and you can see from our Surfline cam that it is pretty cloudy. We saw earlier at Pismo Beach that the sun was trying to pop out, but these are great tools if you guys are looking to see what the forecast and conditions are at the beach. Here's a look at the 4-day rainfall total right now. We got more than 3 inches of rain at Cachuma Lake, more than 2 inches at Buellton, almost 2 at Montecito, and about an inch, almost and a half at Santa Maria. In San Luis Obispo County, we're seeing more than 3 inches of rain also at Pismo Beach, almost at that 3-inch mark in Oceano, a little bit less here, an inch in Santa Margarita and more in Nipomo. So our 24-hour temperature change, we're looking at 6 degrees warmer than this time yesterday in Paso Robles, about a 1 degree difference in San Luis Obispo, but Santa Maria is 7 degrees cooler and cooler 2 degrees in Vandenberg as well as Santa Barbara. So take a look at this satellite radar here. We're not going to be seeing too much rain in the next 24 to 36 hours here, but this is a pretty big beast here that's covering majority of Southern California, bringing lots of downpour to Los Angeles area. We may see some of the precipitation here on the edge of it in South Coast Santa Barbara tonight into early tomorrow morning, but take a look at what our neighbors in the south are dealing with here. Lots of advisories you can see here with our watches and warnings map. We have brief heavy downpours, rainfall rates up to an inch an hour for those thunderstorms, possible roadway flooding, and something even bigger that we're also watching is the possibility for mud and debris flow for some of the recent burn scar areas. We did see the tick fire burning several thousand acres in the Santa Clarita Valley. That is a limited impact right now from meteorologists, but we are going to be continuing to monitor that. Here on the Central Coast, though, our microclimate model is showing that we are going to be having some pretty cloudy, gray, maybe some drizzles here and there conditions as we head into tomorrow as well as overnight into Saturday. You can see kind of here the scattered rain shower for most of the Central Coast, but take a look at Sunday overnight here. We do have more low pressure moving into the area. It's going to bring some more precipitation for parts of northern San Luis Obispo County as it makes its way across California. We do have this system moving into the area developing here. You can see Sunday night bringing in some drizzle in the morning and evening hours, but this is going to deepen Sunday and possibly last until about mid next week. The wind conditions here, we're looking at about 25 miles per hour up to in some of those more gusty areas here. In the 3 p.m. range tomorrow, we're going to be seeing gusts 12 miles per hour in San Luis Obispo, Paso Robles, a little bit lighter in Morro Bay and Cambria. As we head into the Friday afternoon and into Saturday, we do see them taper off before they amp up again Saturday evening at 5 p.m. Here you can see about that same kind of 15 mile per hour range. Our forecast for your daytime highs, we're looking at the low to mid 60s for most of the Central Coast here. In the Santa Ynez Valley, 60 degrees in Carpinteria, 63 in Santa Ynez. In the 5 cities, 61 in Nipomo, 62 in Arroyo Grande. And as we head over to the North Coast here, you can see again 59 degrees in Morro Bay, 58 in Cayucas. But here's a look at the extended forecast, and what we're going to be seeing here is a lot more rain, like I said, starting Sunday here. And again, that potential for thunderstorm and lightning as well as this new system moves into the area. We'll have all those details for you in our KSBY weather app. We'll be right back after the break.